Follow the steps on how to make a simple infographic like this in Adobe Illustrator. First, press M to make a rectangle. You can follow this size. Press Ctrl+C to copy. And set the color to be like this. Press P for the pen tool and hold Alt to create a curve. Add Gaussian blur effect. You can set it like this. Press A and select this section. Press S and make it like this. Press A again, select, and move the point. Press Ctrl F to paste in front. Make rectangles again. Fill color. Press P and make a shape like this. Recolor this object. Press L to make a circle here. Add text. Select this and press X/X to remove the stroke. And group. Copy. Select and go to Recolor. And set the color here. Do the same thing with the next object. Finished. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.